After me put on the ring, let me turn you in a wife. Do your best, do your body, no it higher than a kite. That girl carry belly and I got you for your life. And I run the pussy for sky to where she a try.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. So Vybz Kartel and Lola Smiles finally dropped the video for the big bad song Power of Love. You see me? And me I tell you this song shell. So we are going to review the video including the song in a way because me never get to review the song. They kind of live on a little vacation when it did drop. You see me? So we are going to pre it and see what I go and feed because me I tell you this is how music video feel. Look. Anyway still, don't go nowhere.
You know what they done, you know? The man, you know? The one, you know? Right now, me are
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know? Come in, say YouTube, that show, and such show. Yo!
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploded right now!
Bad mind, I killed them. Them was something where you haven't enough of them. Was for me, can't be for you. Me and why, and that's true. I got this man and you can do anything about it. You might think that you wanna step up on me, but don't you girl, I got this. My pussy will bring you my life. That's why you crown me the wife.
So the first thing more have to talk about is the song. And this is why Vybz Kartel remain at the top even though Vybz Kartel is behind bars since 2012. Vybz Kartel know how to spot talent. And you see the long work where Vybz Kartel put in, the 10 song, 20 song, 15 song a day where Vybz Kartel used to voice. This a way a play out for him right now. You see me? It a help him right now. Because Vybz Kartel have songs upon songs upon songs upon songs. But can't do it, you know. And every time you feel like say, alright, you know say Vybz Kartel it done. The man just goes so booms and drop one bad song. Now this is a bad song and Vybz Kartel spot the talent because me are telling you everything of it approved by Vybz Kartel same way, you know. So if the producer them link him and say, you know, say they have that girl here, I don't know how the link make, but this girl have talent. This girl can sing, you see me? And make we talk about the music video now. So me don't really know what go on, but you can see say a man police forward for a man, you see me? And then two girl lady look like them out for kick off. One of them have one baby in them hands, so one of them look like say is a baby mother. And the next one, well, she just a rant and a war. So me don't know how it a go unfold, is it? But make we watch more, no man.
My love and mash up your mind. It now step up on me, never in a life. My love and my love and my love and my love it. Bring in my life. My love and my love and my love and my love it. Me the one.
After me put on the ring, let me turn you in a wife. Do your best, do your body, no it higher than a kite. That girl carry belly and I got you for your life. And I run the pussy for sky to where she a try.
So more ask the subscriber them something. More ask the viewers them something. That phone there where the policeman gives the man who it look like say him a portrait the role of Vybz Kartel. Okay, you don't know what's a Vybz Kartel lockdown. Is that phone Vybz Kartel I use and make the Instagram post them? But it look like a banger. Me no know still, but yo, the video bad. Me can say it a play out because watch I know like the girl confused. She don't know what to do. She start search the house for money now. Every cribbits and corner for money. So make we see how it a play out same way. But so far it bad.
I wish you won't try, you lose your mind. No mash up her life, tell her bye-bye. Me mother asked me what way you know. Make him mad over your body, make him live in your world.
Cause I know that my pussy will bring him life. That's why you crown me the wife.
So you don't know say Vybz Kartel verse shot already. Cause a Vybz Kartel that. But me want to talk about a girl when named Lola Smiles a little bit more. Babes, you know say you have a beautiful voice. A long time me not hear girl a sing and I touch them key and I touch them note with so much expression. You see me can't try it because if me try it probably on click off of the video because me can't sing. And a lot of these girls, a lot of these female in the business to them cannot sing. But the girl yo, that's why Vybz is king. Me nah say that, me nah stop say that. You see me? Vybz Kartel can spot talent from a mile. Enough artists, me see I try bust some artists, you know, and them are not really artists, you know, but Me don't know why them a try bust them all. No, them can't get a song. But notice, even when Vybz Kartel in a prime and a run Gaza, everybody out of Gaza camp, everybody out of the Gaza camp, they get them. Me never want to say 15 minutes of fame because it did longer than that, but everybody from out of the Gaza camp did at least get a hit song. Me see Hindu when he just de a studio. You see me because of that him did say pan the interview. She just de on studio and him hear she a sing the hook and she a say, yo, John was star. You know say your boy sound bad, you know. Forward come sing it. And hit PR. You see me? Yo, John was star. Vybz Kartel. Who feels say Vybz Kartel are the baddest artist who walk the face of the earth? Baddest dancehall artist, just commenting in the comment section. Gaza.
My love and mash up your mind. It now step up on me, never in a life. My love and my love and my love and my love it. Bring him alive. My love and my love and my love and my love it. I'll be the way.
Maybe your boss for your living. Pretty girl for the bling for your ringing. Bubble for the king in.
So me no really know how go on right here saying, but it look like say the wife and the mate a fight. Ladies, I don't understand. If your man they are jail and him have an next woman out a road, you know just forward together, man, and see how the two of you can get the two of you man out of jail. Don't fight and cuss. You see me, that now go solve the problem in their jail. So when you try pull up the bail money, get the best lawyer in a Jamaica and try get him out. Me not telling a lie still. The video look interesting. I'm more of a talk about something else about the video. So, you see me is a youth where me not only do YouTube videos, but me actually do music videos. You see me? Me shoot music video as well. You see me? And you see this video, if no for you never know, this video is one of the perfect example of what you call a budget video. What is a budget video? A budget video is a video where no money no really spend on. No, you have people who do budget video and it turn out like crap. You say, yo, it better you did just spend your bag of money and do one nice video. But me have to shout out for the director, for the people who response for that video. You see me, Billa Bling or Bala Bling or something like say them name. Yeah man, them shut it up. So the point to where me I get to, you see, concept have a lot to do with a video. You see me, if you just take up a video camera, and just start shoot a video and just put the clippings them together without no concept, it could have clean like whistle, it could have clean like Jesus robe. It's still I go just dumb and stupid. Concept have a lot to do with a music video, and this a way of a bagger concept in it. You see me?
This a the love of the millennium. Why you worry when a gal a try not for you? Me love you, you love me, so we talk it up. When me beg you the pussy, you're not itching up. When you tell a gal say,
I got this better, you can't do anything about it. You think so?
Jano Star, Lola, smiles and easy. You release the bad dog pan her. And people, for those who don't know, you see the other female, well, she would have more look like say she had the side chick. So I can say the side chick. Yeah, call Lola in the house and she forward there, you see me? So you see the side chick, the girl who played a role there, she named Seckles, you see me? And as she Lola smiles let out the dog pan. You see that move there, Jano Star, the girl have to run and take with herself. But make we watch a little more of the music video now.
My pussy will bring him alive. That's why you crown me the wife. My love and mash up your mind. It now step up on me, never in a life. My love and my love and my love and my love it. Bring him alive. See my love and my love and my love and my love it. Crown me the way.
So me talk about the role where Lola smiles a play, you see me? Because no for only young girl in her, that's why you can't keep a man, because guess what now? You see, if a summer uno and the man they are jail and all other girl a come mess around you, other girl a come at the yard, uno don't say uno done with the man and all these things, but no, under that Lola do. You see me? And this is the perfect example of a ride or die chick. This is the perfect example of a girl where a stick round with her man and know what she want in her life. You see me? The girl never say, yo, you know what? Dog, lock down a jail, you know. Me I go take her next man. She not said that. You see me? She try figure out how to get the dog out of jail. And me I tell you, man, you need a girl by you need a girl like that by on the side, you see me? If you are up in a age like all 25, a matter of fact, any year old you be, and you have a girl like this in your life, you need to step back and evaluate your life and see what go on for you. That means say, I'll be a better years girl no I deal with.
Me shoulda listen to her, me shouldn't take on the road. If it's them hand to me, me stash off the door. Me still go a jail, she report. Never bring a liar, fit turn up in a court, that's why. Me never diss you for another girl. She coulda give me the motherfucking world. And you did the first, plus you cock up, make me fuck you till you squirt. And you beat up and you ride it and you work. I saw the thing. Oh.
So my girl I found with box food and I say see I road the dog gone and now. Jano star. But this at the point when me they try make it play out right in the video now. We say yo, you have two type of girl. You see the wife, you notice that the wife go high and above forget the youth out of jail. And this a girl that now a carry box food. She could even get some money pull up and you see her with the money in her hand. We say yo, you know say a bill she a try go bail him or whatever. She carry box food. But this a one question I want to ask still. Me never know say people bail people at night. Anyway, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Tell me in the comment section if you like this video and tell me if you don't like this video. Like the video, share the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a dislike. I don't know. You must know why you dislike the video. But if you dislike the video, state it in the comment section and prove your point. I'm in a disrespectful thing right now. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm out.